他吃肉，对啊，他吃
肉圆。
肉圆哦，他还没吃过。我有跟他说，我想给他哦，
炸的那种，在外面
炸肉圆，炸肉圆连我都没吃过哎。How was it?
Okay, so
You smelled it?
yeah,
Yep.
I smelt it. So everyone knows Taiwan is famous with their 7-Elevens.
Yep.
And inside their 7-Eleven, they have the tea egg.
Yep.
So you basically got this big pot.
Yep.
They put the eggs in there, and it's some sort of herbal tea, so it soaks up into the egg, and it makes it a little bit black, and obviously it has a different taste to it. But I haven't really been. Last time I came here, I didn't really try anything because I had my concussion. I was always allergic to things, so I wasn't trying new stuff. But this time, I wanted to dig into the tea egg.
Well, we actually tried that oginiri. Do you remember that we went to IKEA, and I bought that triangle oginiri. Do you remember that? Oh, it's alright.
I'm actually a little nervous.
Nervous about what?
I don't know.
Do you think you get dizzy?
No, it just looks so gross.
他说看起来好恶。
Excuse me, I understand, okay?
It's like, oh. I've never seen anything like it. I've never seen. Actually, oh, it kind of smells funny.
Smell funny.
He was about to say it smells stink.
I know. I see his face. Oh my god. Do I really need to?
It actually tastes alright. Wow.
Remember the show?
Yeah, the show. 我们在看一个节目，然后有一个人去菲律宾吃了一只土猪，然后他在吃那个东西之前就这样子做。我说上帝保佑我的那个。
还有今天音乐好开着。Today we still have the doctor. Don't worry. Today Saturday.
We still have doctor everywhere.
它只是看起来这样，可它不是部位才这样才好吃。
What does it taste like?
DNA mix.
Like a little burnt flavor, maybe?
What?
Burnt flavor?
Burnt flavor. 他说有一种焦味是吗？
因为一直在煮吧。
Craig says because it's keeping boiling, so might be cause the burnt flavor. Might give you a smoking flavor.
Actually, it tastes really good. It's not bad.
Mm.
It's definitely a good snack if you just want to go and grab something.
I don't really eat tea eggs, but yeah, it tastes good. It tastes good with rice too.
Yeah.
做法。
你们会配饭吃吗？茶叶蛋。
Oh, okay.
Okay, so you just try tea eggs. How much will you rate it out of 10?
I give it maybe a 6 out of 10.
6 out of 10.
Yeah, I think if I ate too much of it, if I had like 2 or 3, I might feel a bit sick.
Yeah.
But the overall taste is actually pretty nice.
It's
It's a healthy snack. It's proteins, good fats.
yeah.
So if you want to go in and just grab something,
The flavor kind of suits for the snacks.
it's a strange flavor. What kind of tea is it?
你们知道茶叶蛋是什么茶吗？
不知道哎。
我也不知道。I don't know
You
that
don't know, yeah.
either. It's just kind of tea. 乌龙茶吗？还是？
6分，1到10它给6分。
他说味道还可以，但是如果吃超过2-3颗的话，就太腻还是怎么样？
哦，对啦。
There's definitely nothing that tastes like that back home.
他说他在澳洲是绝对没有这种味道过的。
是啊，你都是。
Let's do a pray over there.
A what?
Do you want to do a pray? Let's do a pray.
Yeah.
Let's go. 我忘记在哪里，在中间。就是拜拜在中间，在中间。性别小姐，1.3公分小姐，我
So we're just going into one of the temples to do a little bit of a pray. Oh, stinky.
Now you just close your eyes and then you can do pray. Alright. My prayer is finished.
Okay.
Did you pray?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you pray for?
Can't tell you that. It's a secret.
Oh, good. Do you know we cannot go out in
Yeah.
the middle?
Wow.
That's for the God.
Left-hand side.
We humans need to go on the side. The middle is for the God.
Oh.
Is it Anna 400? I don't know. You
don't
are
know.
the Taiwanese.
Oh, that's why no one's walking through.
Yeah.
I usually want to the pink color, pink hair.
Ooh.
The lady over there.
Oh.
Pink color.
Yeah. It's good.
Gorgeous.
It's like the dog. Little dog. The little dog.
Pink dog. 啊，这个粉红狗。
So we're just walking down the street of Lukang. It's like the old street. A lot of people, it's where all the good food is. So we're just gonna walk down, have a look around. We just tried some taro cake, which was not too bad. I'm not really a big fan of sweet food, so yeah.
I love that taro. The taro cake is so nice.
You like fruit 什么 dry fruit 啊？这是什么？
哦，对啊，dry fruit。
Yeah, dry fruit.
Oh yeah.
他看起来没兴趣。
他说他通常都不吃东西的，他只是很好奇这边长什么样子，所以他现在等于在吃他的东西，吃这边的街景。
吃热狗，想吃热狗。
哪里啊？哦，哎，很少吃哎。
你们要吗？
你们先点好了。
大的是多大的？这种。
Do you want this hot dog？
那大的。两个大的，一个加番茄酱，一个不要。
好，直接拿着吗？
可以给我2个塑料袋吗？
好。
谢谢。这算 hot dog。
Yeah.
有
We have
的。
those.
It's the corn
Be
hot
careful.
Corn dog.
Corn dog.
Yeah.
这在美国叫 corn dog，
哦，他不知道，我也想跟他讲。
但是在好像美国出来的。
八哥
We have them as
叫什么？
as a kid, corn dogs.
他说这个他们小的时候很常吃。
真假？我本来骗他说 this one is made from dog。
Her dad said it's made by dog.
Oh.
Hot dog.
Oh my god.
他一脸无言，想看在广场笑。这真的很好吃哎。
Oh yeah.
蓝月鲜血都可以省3毫，3毫出我的谢谢喽。
国外男酒1支130。好，点吗？里面都有在喝。你要吃面线糊吗？
Oh, it's like little crabs.
我觉得他应该不会想吃。我觉得这个应该就可以吃，可是will you stop if you want to like eat anything?
I'm not really foodie, like I won't want to eat anything.
Okay.
But yeah, if I wanted to, I would.
这里好多芋头的东西啊。
可能代表也是。
头吗？啊，是哦。
超完吃手。
是哦。
你不要动。
吃过茯苓糕吗？
茯苓糕。哦，你说黑黑的那个。没吃过，那种东西都做的。
What's it called? Digong?
Lukang.
Lukang.
Carol is really good.
Lukang.
Another taro.
Okay, good. Yeah! Again! Let's go again!